Come on, princess. Open your present. Come on. Go on. It's okay. You're not breaking it. It's how it's supposed to be. Here, Daddy. Go on. Open it. It's your birthday. I see something. There you go. Good job.
This one.
You want the big one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
It's not remote time. It's gift time.
There you
you go. Good girl. Thank you, Daddy. Yay.
Here, rip that part.
Wow. Julia, can you send me kisses? Birthday kisses?
Hey.
Thank you.